Word on the street is you're looking to move to the lovely land of Lincolnshire. Before you do, I have a few things you'll want to keep in mind. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home in Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam, who's getting ready to throw his youngest son's first birthday party.
Yeah, so my oldest son turned 1 in March of 2020, so we couldn't throw him a birthday party. It was the height of the pandemic, so this is the first time we get to do it, so we're pretty excited.
All right, cool. What's the theme?
Baseball.
Baseball, awesome.
If anyone's watched these, you know I love baseball, so that's right in line.
Yeah, hey, makes sense. Good time of the year for it. Hey, today we'll tell you all you need to know when you're buying a house in Lincolnshire. First, let's talk about some history, Adam's favorite part of these videos.
Woo!
Now, Lincolnshire was founded as a Chicago suburb in 1955, and to continue with that baseball theme, 1955 was the year Jackie Robinson and the Brooklyn Dodgers won the World Series. And Lincolnshire was incorporated in 1957. It's an affluent area. Wealthy potential homeowners flock to the area thanks to a lovely view of the Des Plaines River. You know, Lincolnshire is about 35 minutes from the heart of downtown Chicago and also 35 minutes from Bristol, Wisconsin, making it a perfect middle ground between the bustling city and the quaint throwback of the Renaissance Fair. While most of the areas we cover, the seller is responsible for that per 1,000 tax, Lincolnshire has the buyer on the hook. And in this case, we have a 3 per 1,000 tax. This means for every $1,000 the house costs, you owe the village $3. A small breakdown of prices is right over my shoulder, but look at it this way. If your house costs $300,000, you owe the village $900 in taxes. Before closing, the buyer will purchase the village stamp. But before that can happen, the seller must pay the final water bill. When you retain 23 Legal, we'll stay in communication with the seller side to make sure they're on top of that, and you'll be good to go to get that stamp. Once you're given the go-ahead, you can schedule an appointment with the village hall and pick up the stamp. In order to purchase the stamp, the buyer must bring in a copy of the MyDeck, which is a pretty complicated state tax form that the seller's attorney will complete for us. Since you'll need to get this document from the seller's side, it's another reminder of the importance of good communication between the parties. Once the stamp is purchased, all we have left to do is the closing. The buyer and buyer's attorney will meet at the closest title company office, which is usually in either Vernon Hills or Northbrook for a Lincolnshire closing. Then, all will proceed as normal. Just a few last-minute documents we need you to sign, and you'll get the keys to your new home in the lovely village of Lincolnshire. Hey, if you're watching this video and either recently sold your home or are looking to, what has been the most daunting part of the process so far? Leave it in the comments. We always love to hear your stories. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.